If you ask me to play Grow a Garden once more, I will commit 9/11 2.0 on your apartment building, and you'll end up here. Because I'll aim specifically at your room, and I'll be drunk as fuck. And after you get out, I'll run you over with this. And you're never safe from Ticklish Tom. Yeah, you thought I left him in last video. You upgraded Mahiro Oyama. Yeah, lil bro. Now give me all your money. Cause you got no girls. I'm outside your abode. Yeah, are gonna end up like my best friend, homeless Joe. But either on this, or this, or either end up like this. You're officially cooked, lil bro.